Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC U0104 indicates a communication failure between the Adaptive Cruise Control ACC system and its control module in the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. This deficiency can lead to issues with cruise control functionality, which utilizes a network of components to maintain speed. The affected components include the multi-purpose camera unit, the transmission control module, TCM, and the powertrain control module, PCM. The multi-purpose camera, located at the front of the vehicle on the windshield, processes data for ACC. The TCM controls the vehicle's transmission behavior. When communication fails, the driver may find that the adaptive cruise control system is disabled, which can affect safety and driving comfort. Understanding this error code is pivotal for effective troubleshooting and repair, guiding technicians to examine wiring and connections thoroughly. The DTC U0104 indicates a lost communication with the Adaptive Cruise Control System control module. This suggests that the control module responsible for managing the ACC is failing to receive or send information successfully. The involved components include the multi-purpose camera unit, the TCM, and the PCM. Located in various sections of the vehicle, these modules rely on the Controller Area Network, CAN, for proper functioning. The ACC uses signals from these units to execute speed adjustments, and without proper communication, it may become non-functional. This highlights the importance of established connections and wiring integrity between these units to ensure dependable cruise control functionality. There are several potential causes for the DTC U0104. First, poor connections or loose terminals can disrupt communication between the modules. This suggests a need to visually inspect all connections related to the ACC system thoroughly. Additionally, open wiring issues can occur due to damage from wear and tear or external factors, leading to interrupted signals. Another possibility is faulty modules themselves, such as a malfunctioning multi-purpose camera unit. Identifying the exact cause is essential, as it will dictate the necessary corrective actions. Proper diagnostic steps should be followed to ascertain the foundational issue preventing effective communication. The symptoms associated with DTC U0104 primarily revolve around the malfunctioning of the Adaptive Cruise Control System. Most noticeably, drivers will find that the Adaptive Cruise Control is not operational, meaning they cannot set or adjust cruise speed using this feature. Warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, indicating a system failure. In some cases, the vehicle may exhibit erratic performance at highway speeds, further heightening concerns regarding safety. Observing these symptoms promptly can prevent further complications or potential safety hazards. It's crucial for technicians to recognize these manifestations as signs of the underlying communication failure. The first troubleshooting step for DTC U0104 involves verifying the problem. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows systems to initialize and become ready for diagnostics. Next, clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS, a tool specifically designed for vehicle diagnostics. This action resets any stored fault codes. After clearing, turn the vehicle back to the off or lock mode, and then back to on. Finally, check for any new pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS. If DTC U0104 persists, it confirms that the failure is indeed present, and further investigation is warranted. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC U0104, focus on checking the FCAN AH line for open wiring. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode and disconnect the 20P connector from the multi-purpose camera unit. and the 58P connector from the TCM. This disconnection is essential, as it allows for an accurate continuity check without interference from other systems. You will then check for continuity between the multi-purpose camera unit connector, specifically pin number 2, and the TCM connector, pin number 34. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates that the FCAN AH wire is functioning correctly, and you can proceed to the next step. If there is no continuity, an open in the wire is likely present, and repairs must be made accordingly. The third troubleshooting step continues the examination by checking for continuity on the FCAN AL line. Similar to the previous step, ensure the vehicle is in the off or lock mode and that the multi-purpose camera unit and TCM connectors are still separated. Focus now on checking continuity between pin number 13 on the multi-purpose camera unit connector and pin number 47 on the TCM connector. If continuity is present, the FCAN AL wire is functioning properly. Subsequently, check for any additional service information related to DTC U0104, or consider substituting a known good multi-purpose camera unit for further diagnosis. If continuity is absent, this indicates an open in the FCAN AL wire, requiring repairs to restore proper communication. After performing repairs for DTC U0104, it is vital to conduct a final verification to ensure that the issues have been resolved. Begin this process by confirming that the repairs carried out have effectively restored communication in the system. Utilize the HDS to recheck for any DTCs that may arise following the repairs. Ideally, no DTCs should appear, indicating successful repairs. Additionally, it's crucial to test the adaptive cruise control functionality to ensure the system operates as intended under various conditions. A successful test reaffirms that the communication link between the control module, the multi-purpose camera, and the TCM has been effectively restored. Preventive maintenance is essential to mitigate the risks of future occurrences of DTC U0104. Start by implementing routine inspections of all wiring associated with the adaptive cruise control system. This proactive measure helps identify any potential wear or damage before they escalate into communication failures. It's also crucial to check the connections regularly, ensuring they remain tight and free from corrosion. Any loose or corroded terminals can lead to inconsistencies in communication. Further, during any repair work, always prioritize quality parts, as subpar replacements can introduce problems later. By following these preventive measures, the longevity and reliability of the ACC system can be enhanced significantly. In conclusion, the significance of effective communication within the adaptive cruise control system cannot be overstated, especially for maintaining safety and performance in the Honda Pilot models. The systematic troubleshooting steps outlined offer a clear path to diagnose and resolve the DTC U0104 communication failure. Engaging in regular maintenance practices, such as inspecting wiring and ensuring the quality of connections, plays a vital role in preventing future occurrences of this DTC. Technicians are encouraged to utilize the HDS diagnostic tool effectively and to thoroughly verify repairs post-service. By following these guidelines, the functionality of the ACC system can be preserved, providing drivers with a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!